this downscreen gates with the flow. The rip gates, the first one being this one, gate 3. Watch. They have to spin around and go through them in an upstream direction and then go back down the course on their merry way. If they hit a pole, touch it, push it, strike it, it's a 2-point penalty, just like that.
Just like that, she had to, she was late in the turn, had to spin around, she hit the gate, so it was a 2-second penalty, plus a time error in the time it took for her to spin around. Not a great start for Hannah.
If you miss a gate completely, or in a most unfortunate circumstances, she goes very low on that upstream gate. If you go upside down through a gate, that's a 50-second penalty, 5-0.
Working her way into this challenging 12-13 combination.